Welcome to the Morphneo channel, where regular and crypto games meet. If you love regular FPS games, blockchain-based NFT and play-to-earn games, then subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to watch our videos, and stay up to date. If you are a fan of so-called blockchain sandbox games where players build their own world by purchasing land and basic buildings, which is similar to Lego Die Lego in traditional games, then we have an awesome game for you. This video is a quick review about a game called RobotEra. The game aims to provide players with a powerful multidimensional metaverse platform that integrates entertainment, creation, management, exploration, and interaction, making RobotEra not only a colorful game, but a second world that can benefit from cryptocurrencies and digital assets. What is RobotEra? RobotEra is building a sandbox-like planet rebuilding metaverse. You will become a robot, acquire resources from the planet, manage your own land, create robot companions, and participate in the creation of the world. Here, there is freedom to create everything you can imagine and start a new era with other robots. RobotEra provides a shared multiverse that connects with other worlds, opening theme parks, concerts, museums, and more. Create, share, operate, explore, and trade in RobotEra with numerous NFT communities. RobotEra is an interactive metaverse with a futuristic robot theme. As a virtual robot, you enter the RobotEra universe and work alongside other users to create the metaverse. In the metaverse, you can purchase virtual lots on which to construct buildings and then monetize them using the platform's resources. Players can connect with other players, manage land, build structures, design and create games, collect rewards, and form their own economy while on the adventure. Taro is the project's utility token and is now conducting a pre-sale. If this sounds interesting, then let us go further, but before that, a short disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. Everything in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research and consult several sources before making any investment decisions. All the information about the game in this video can be found on the game's website, in the white paper and several other sources on the internet. The information we gathered from these sources is intended to be accurate at the time of recording of this video. Please note, however, that the blockchain-based gaming world is a very fast-paced industry and is in a constant state of development and evolution. With our quick review series, we wish to give you a short summary of many blockchain games, highlighting some important features of the games, scoring and ranking them solely for orientation purposes and not for judgment. If you have already seen our previous quick review videos and know our scoring system, you can simply skip the next 2 minutes and continue with the video in the next chapter. At the end of the scoring process, an overall score will be created for each game we have reviewed. Our review and scoring system is very simple and answers the following questions. 1. Is the game already playable? If the answer is yes, then 1 point, otherwise 0. 2. Is the game free to play? If you can start to play the game without any investment, then the score is 1 point, otherwise 0. 3. What game modes are available? Is the game a PvP or a PvE game, or both modes are available? If only one mode is available, it could be PvP or PvE, then the score is 0 points, otherwise it is 1 point. 4. Is the game a play-to-earn game? For the purpose of our scoring system, the definition of a play-to-earn game is where you can directly and unconditionally earn coins, or tokens through gameplay that you can directly convert to stable coins or fiat money. If the answer is yes, then 1 point. If, however, players can earn coins upon some conditions, or players can only use the in-game currency they receive as a reward to upgrade their assets, or buy NFTs, and cannot directly convert it to real money, then the score will be 0 points. 5. The fifth question will have 2 parts. One part is whether the game token is in the first 1,000 ranked by market cap on CoinMarketCap website. If yes, then half a point, otherwise 0 points. And finally, we can give half a point based on our subjective opinion of the game, where we take into consideration factors like the game itself, network, team, activity, transparency, etc. Overall, the maximum score a game can get is 5 points. Let the analysis begin. First question. Is RobotEra already playable? In RobotEra, players can create an immersive and colorful virtual reality experience in a multiverse cryptocurrency game. In the game, users become robots tasked with rebuilding the planet, Taro. There are rewards to earn, economies to build, games to design and release, land to own, structures to build, and interactions to develop along the way. At its current pace, RobotEra may sell out as early as Q1 2023 after the pre-sale began on November 11, 2022. Approximately 270 million Taro will be available for pre-sale. In addition to 270 million Taro allocated for pre-sale, there is a hard cap of $6,930,000 on the RobotEra token, an ERC-20 token with a total supply of 1,800,000,000 Taro. To ensure more popularity among investors, crypto private sales or pre-sales are set up in multiple stages. Early investors benefit from a high return on investment due to an early bird advantage. As can be seen from the data below, RobotEra has also staged its pre-sale prices. For example, the price per token for Taro in Stage 1 is $0.020. In Stage 2, however, the cost will rise to $0.025 per Taro. That means Stage 1 investors will have already gained 25%. Additionally, the third stage will raise this to $0.032. According to investors, a Taro token might be one of the best cryptocurrencies to invest in during the crash. According to the plan of the game's white paper, a new crypto presale project, RobotEra, is one of the best cryptos to invest in now, as it provides players with various income opportunities. A cataclysmic event destroys Taro's planet, so players purchase and build upon metaverse land to rebuild it. As well as finding minerals and resources, players can build infrastructure and buildings upon the land to monetize it. Players can build houses, swimming pools, museums, concert halls, and more on the metaverse land. As you can see on the roadmap, only the private sale of Taro tokens and listing on exchanges are planned for 2022. The completed and tested battle system, introducing the Alpha Metaverse Galaxy and more gameplay will release in 2023. All in all, RobotEra is not a playable game yet, therefore, we give to this topic 0 points. Score, 0. Is RobotEra free to play? As the game is not yet available to play, after extensive research we have not been able to find a reliable source that the game will be free to play, therefore we give this topic 0 points. Score, 0. What game modes are implemented in the game? PvP or PvE or both? RobotEra aims to provide players with a powerful multidimensional metaverse platform that integrates entertainment, creation, management, exploration, and interaction, making RobotEra not only a colorful game, but a second world that can benefit from cryptocurrencies and digital assets. The gameplay settings of blockchain sandbox games are more or less similar, and RobotEra adds a lot of entertainment to traditional sandbox games. Similar to many blockchain sandbox games, RobotEra players get their avatars in the metaverse through Robot NFT. Robot NFT is the incarnation of players in the metaverse, through which players can interact in the game and mine, construct, etc. The difference is that although robot NFTs cannot be created at will, players can freely edit and replace their robot NFTs through the robot editor. There are a total of 10,000 robot NFTs and are divided into 7 camps. The camps are Guardian Song, Omega, Justice League, Trailblazers, War College, Lava, and Desire for Paradise. These 7 camps have different characteristics and attributes, and the number is also different. This setting not only increases the entertainment, but also create more room for robot NFT appreciation. In addition, RobotEra has added a lot of novel gameplay. For example, in RobotEra, Robot NFT does not have any combat attributes. It will not die nor directly participate in combat. If the player wants to take part in the battle, they must send their robot partners to do so. Robot partners require players to assemble themselves by collecting resources. Players can assemble robot partners with different attributes and skills. Each robot partner will be a unique NFT, which can be sold in exchange for income, or can be earned while playing. Actually, Robot Partner is a helper for the defense of the land and plundering resources, and does not appear in the game at first sight. Furthermore, every blockchain sandbox game has a platform that players can build at will, and RobotEra is no exception. The planet Taro, where RobotEra players live, is divided into 7 continents, each of which has its own unique resources for making unique robot of their own faction. Players can get a piece of their own land through airdrops or purchase by themselves. Players have absolute autonomy on their own land, they can build as they want, and trade in the market to gain profits. If the player lacks some resources during construction, they can go to the public continent to get it. The public continent is randomly generated by the system and has a wealth of renewable resources for players to collect. In addition, it is worth noting that players who hold Robot NFT will have the opportunity to receive official land airdrops in various activities. Players who have not received the airdrop can also wait for the next wave of airdrops or purchase directly. Technical advantages. RobotEra not only has a complete background story and wonderful gameplay design, but also technically realizes the original development of the editor. There are currently 2 in-game editors in the project, the Land Editor and the Robot Editor. Robot Editor, players can edit their own robot protagonist, robot NFT, or robot partners. After entering the game, players will get an officially provided robot NFT, which can be replaced later by using the Robot Editor to create a more personalized robot protagonist. Robot Editor is a unique utility in planet Taro. Land Editor, after players have their own land, they can do anything in their land, such as mining and gathering resources, building houses, and making friends with robots. Obviously, the Land Editor can make it easier for players to create freely. The development of the editor can enable RobotEra to have more scenarios, and the editor is currently preparing to be tested and launched. All in all, RobotEra will have PvP and PvE game modes as well, so we give this topic 1 point. Score: 1. Is the play-to-earn format implemented in the game? Can you directly earn coins or tokens by gameplay? As the game is not yet playable, it is not possible to test and check if it is possible to earn Taro tokens, the in-game currency, during the game. The game developers themselves call their game play-to-earn, but there is no mention of tokenomics or in-game rewards or the play-to-earn method on the website or on the white paper. In addition, the Taro token is still in its pre-sale phase, it is not yet listed on any DX exchange, so we have not been able to verify how we can exchange the Taro token we might earn during the game. According to the white paper, it says a frictionless play-to-earn experience has always been what the game developers want, and they aim to make a metaverse game that not only allows players to have an immersive experience, but also earn money while playing. On Taro, players can not only experience interesting gameplay such as mining, exploration, creation, and battle, but also obtain considerable income through various means such as cultivating sacred trees, selling NFTs, advertising, staking tokens, etc. They want to give players an experience. When players enjoy the fun of the game, unknowingly they also contribute to the reconstruction of Taro and bring tangible benefits to themselves. All players will be able to play happily and earn money. The following is a reference in the white paper how to earn in RobotEra. Trading NFTs, players who own continents will be able to earn money by creating and selling NFTs. The main NFTs in the game are land, robot companions, robot components, and more. Staking tokens, Taro is in ruins, and it is a critical period for reconstruction. If you have excess tokens, you are welcome to pledge and invest in the planet. This will yield a decent passive income on a regular basis. Event benefits, enterprises or large teams can hold events on independent continents of Taro. There are many potential benefits for global exposure and increased popularity in RobotEra. Mining, earn from exploring, mining, or participating in random events on Taro. Land management, earn from operating player continents or independent continents. Market transactions, earn from trading in the market. To sum up what was said and based on our extensive research, we are not confident that with RobotEra game Taro tokens can be earned directly by gameplay. Therefore, according to our set of rules, 0 points can be awarded for the topic whether tokens can be directly earned by gameplay. So, we can give 0 points to this question. Score 0. Market cap and subjective opinion. The game's main token Taro is not listed on CoinMarketCap website yet. So, the score for this is 0 points. Our subjective score based on the game, network, team, investors, activity, transparency etc. is 0 points. Summary of our analysis. 1. Is the game already playable? No, RobotEra game hasn't been launched yet. Score, 0 points. 2. Is the game free to play? The game is not yet available to play, and we have not been able to find a reliable source that the game will be free to play. Score, 0 points. 3. What game modes are available in RobotEra? This game will have PvE and PvP game modes as well. Score, 1 point. 4. Is the game a play-to-earn game? There is no conclusive information on this question. Score, 0 points. 5. Is it in the top 1000 by market cap? The token is not listed yet. Score, 0 points. Our subjective score, 0 points. The final score is 1 point out of a maximum of 5 points for the game RobotEra. We hope that our quick review and comparison method we have set up has helped you to get to grips with this game, and that the analysis and overall score has helped you to make your decision to learn more about the game. What do you think about RobotEra? Would you like to play with this game? Please share your thoughts about the game in the comment section below. Would you like to get a deeper analysis video about RobotEra? If yes, please drop it in the comment section below. If you like this video, please give a thumb up, we would really appreciate it. In our next video we prepare a quick review about silks, so please make sure to subscribe to the Morphneo channel not to miss it, and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and see you next time in our next game review, gameplay, or tutorial video. Bye.